Hello, how are you? This is Nikita with Say How You Feel, and today I'm going to show you how to do a flour sack towel. Very nice. Making them for the kiddos that have moved out, and also someone asked for a mock. Couldn't find a flour sack towel on the interwebs, so I decided just to go ahead and make one that I was going to do anyway for the kids and send it to the person. Actually, she likes it. She wants one like this. But anyway, so that's going to be the video that is coming up. But before we get to the video, let me do a shout out to the good people, to the squad folks that are located on this glorious YouTube. Mike T's, All Things Styles, you dig, Lifestyle, and 12 Gone Apparel. Be sure that you're following those awesome people so that you can get some great golden nuggets and some diamonds. And be sure that you're liking, sharing, and following Say How You Feel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when we got some new videos up. Okay? Okay. As always, be blessed and have a great day. Stay tuned for the video. Hi, this is Nikita with Say How You Feel custom t-shirts, and what I'm doing today is I think they call them tea towels, but it's a flour sack towel. So the reason why I'm doing this is because someone wants one made and they asked for a mock. I don't know where to get a tea towel mock on the local internet, so I needed to make one anyway for my kids because they have their own places now. So I decided to just go ahead and make it and then use that as my mock. So I've already cut the vinyl. I did the design is like 5 by 5, I believe, or 5 by 6, something in that range.
What kind of vinyl is it?
This is Themoflex, isn't it? This ain't no quiz. So I've already cut the vinyl down and saved my little my trimmings for another time in case we got something little that needs to be cut. So we're going to read the vinyl. We cut this on our Silhouette 4, which now that I'm able to use it, I kind of like it. It works very well. And you know what? It's faster too. I don't know if that's something they touted for it, but it's faster. Don't talk about my weeding skills. Let's see. Okay. Okay. And then you can get these flour sack towels from what do you call it, Walmart. You can get them from Target, and they don't cost a lot. And the ones from Walmart, it comes in a 5-pack, and it would be good. Even though I don't know how people are going to do for like the holidays with families getting together, but you could start making them. Get you a pack and do mocks, if you will, for like Thanksgiving, and then go ahead and do you one for Christmas and save it, and to see, you know, you can make sets and whatnot. I won't go into what you could price them for, because I'm not sure what people are pricing them for, but I'm sure that they are selling them on Etsy and everywhere else already. But if that's something that you want to add to your collection of things that you do. So what I did with this to make sure that it was wide enough was I unfolded it, and then I refolded it this way, I guess you say long way, and then I didn't put it folded again where they totally connected right here, because I needed for it to be wide enough to for my wording to fit on it. And then I'm gonna place it about right here. Let's see, not right there, because you want to make sure that it actually that it's gonna press down. So, and I pre-pressed it, but I think I'm gonna press it again, because the wording is like right on top of that, and I don't want that. These are not the best at they're coming together, so it's not gonna be totally even at the bottom. But there we go, that's much better. I'm trying to get it off the seam right there. Excuse me. But you want to put it, you don't want it up too high, but you want it down just low enough so that when they hang it over their the arm of the oven, that you can actually see it. Hold on just a minute. Got a little straggle of that. Okay, that's cute. Okay, so now I've already got the heat press. It should be heated up. So now I'm going to take this to the heat press and I'm going to press it. Okay, so now we're at the heat press. It is set for 365, 10 seconds. Again, this is Thermoflex vinyl. It is available on our supply website. The website name will be in the description box below. I have a pillow up under it to be sure that the pressure is there so this will stick. And I have my Teflon sheet to put over it. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I can't lock it. If you're strong enough, then you may be able to lock it, but I can't. But that's the reason for the pillow. All right, here's our moment of truth. So I'm gonna peel it. Okay, so here we are. I've already pulled the carrier sheet off. Again, I did it in 10 seconds. It really doesn't necessarily need to be hit again, but you know, I'm that person that likes to be sure. So I'm gonna hit it one more time for about 5 seconds or so. 5, okay. And that's it. So here is the finished product. This is a tea towel. Again, I did this for one of my children that have moved out, but I'm going to use it as a mock to show people what can be done and what a finished product will look like. Since Thanksgiving is coming up, you could use this exact same thing on a tea towel and just make it a different fall color. There you go. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. Our supply website where the vinyl is located is available will be in the description box below. Be blessed and have an awesome day.